If you want to turn on or turn off your Pioneer Xumo TV without using the TV remote, then in this guide you'll know all 3 different ways to turn on or turn off your Pioneer Xumo TV by using the physical button or the official mobile app, or even by using a different device. The first way to turn off your Pioneer Xumo TV without the remote is by using an HDMI device that's connected to your TV. Most of you should have an HDMI device connected. You'll also need to have HDMI-CEC enabled on both your TV and the device. Fortunately, this will be enabled by default. And to check if it's working, just turn off your HDMI device using the device's interface, and your Pioneer Xumo TV will also turn off. And when you turn your HDMI device back on, your Pioneer Xumo TV should also turn on. And the second way to shut down or power on your Pioneer Xumo TV without the remote will be the TV's onboard power button. This physical button will either be located on the bottom panel of your Pioneer TV, and in some models it may be at the right or the left side of your TV. And after you found it, pressing it once will open the side panel. You'll see the power option, and if it's not highlighted, then press the button again until the power option is highlighted. Now let go and your TV will turn off in a moment. And to turn your TV back on, just press the power button once again. Now the third and most versatile option to turn your TV on and off and also control your TV is by using the official Xumo TV app. If you want to know how to get this app and use it, watch this quick video where we guide you through the process. So these are all 3 different ways to power off and power on your Xumo TV without the TV remote. If this was helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more guides, and I'll see you around.